everyone, it's Connie from Thoughts to Treasures, and today we have a quick and easy project for you. This is a Dollar Tree house-shaped MDF cutout that had some sort of saying on it before that we removed. We gave it a good coating of white, and on the top we did black to give it that black and white look going on. The decal I did cut from my Cricut, and we're going to transfer that onto some transfer tape and just simply place it onto the house shape. This does say home is where my dog is, for all those dog lovers out there. And remember, when you remove transfer tape, do it slowly. Make sure everything is down before you just rip it off. Now I did take some embellishing. I took some twine around the bottom just to give it a little bit of character. And then we added this cute little paw print right there in the front. And I did cut the paw print from my Glowforge and added that right there. And now we have an adorable shelf sitter. If this inspired you, please sprinkle and spread the love. We appreciate it. Thank you.